Okay, in the last tutorial we showed you how to make an age counter. Well, not an age checker. So it checks if you're 13, and if you're under 13, it doesn't let you on the site. So in this tutorial, we're gonna like in the last tutorial, we set the age for them. They didn't tell us the age. We just picked whatever we think their age is. This tutorial, we asked the user for the age. Please enter your age. If they put 14, it says you're allowed on the site. Welcome to the site. All the other code is the same, but the difference is this time you could pick your age. It asks you for your age. And also, if we don't put an age, we just put something random, it will also say you have not entered a number, try again. So, okay, so that's how it works. So let's get started. So this is the code, so this is the code that we made last time. So let's turn it into this. So first thing is, we're gonna use HTML in this. So you guys know HTML already, hopefully. So let's start with the HTML tags, then the body tags, and then we're gonna make a form. So we're gonna make the action the name of the file. So this is index.php. So type in index.php, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the method, and we're gonna keep it at get. And most browsers the default is get, so it doesn't matter. But on some, like some bad browsers, the default is post. And you guys probably don't know what I'm saying. If you do, that's great. If you don't, it's okay. We'll talk more about it in the next tutorials. So a form is just sending information to this file. So then we're going to give an input, and we're going to make it a text box. So we go equal and type in text. And then the important thing is the name. And we're going to name this age. And you'll see why that's important later. And also, we're going to put a submit button just to submit the form. So input, type, oh my gosh, and submit. And then, just to show you how this works. So now we're just going to comment out the code that we created before all the PHP code. And if you guys are using NetBeans like I am, just press Control / and it will be commented. And actually, you don't comment the PHP tags itself. You can't comment the tags. So remove the comments from the tags and select all the code and comment it. And now what we get is a form. So the form doesn't do anything. Click submit, it doesn't do anything yet. But actually it does. So what I type in here, it sends information. So it changes the URL to !, age, equals, and whatever I type. So if I type in hello, it comes up here and it says hello. So it's telling PHP I typed in hello. And just to prove this, we're going to echo, and we're going to echo, and you have to spell this right. So a $, underscore, and capital get. And if you're using NetBeans, just click the autocomplete. Make sure you don't, it's cap sensitive. So, and then we're gonna type in age, and the way we get the age from is if we come over here, it says age, and the reason it comes up there is because the name of this is age. So it has to be the same as the text box. So echo age. So now if I say hello, it will echo it, hello. And if I say bye, it echoes bye. If I say good, it echoes good. It echoes whatever I say. So now we don't need this anymore. So now let's get started to actually create the code. So first thing what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable saying age. And we're going to equals to what we did before. So get, and we're going to type in age. And now we're going to do is start an if statement that we already learned. So we learned that in the if statement we check if it's what the value is, and so what we're going to do in the if statement is if age. So that means if this has any value whatsoever, it will do the stuff inside you, which is right over here. So inside that, then we check if age is a number. So then we make another if statement. Now you could just go and put the and over here, but we're not going to do that. So if, and then put is, and then underscore numeric, and click the autocomplete, and then change the word to age, and put the curly brackets, curly braces. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the code that we commented out before, X that, Control X, and we're going to put it over here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to select that, and we're going to uncomment that, so Control slash, whoops. Okay, now Control slash, and now it's uncommented, so just align this, make it look more professional, I guess, more neater. So now it's aligned. So this is all the code that we created in the last tutorial. And now what we're going to do is we're going to change my age to equals age. So now what it will do, let's not on it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to come to the second curly braces down, second curly braces up, and we're going to put else, and put 2 more curly braces, and then we're going to put an echo saying you did not type a number, and then comma, please try again, period, and then put a semicolon at the end, and over here at the end, so that at the last curly braces we're going to put else echo please enter your age, and then semicolon. So let's run this, and then it says please enter your age. Then we're going to put a age 1, and it says come back when you're 12 years old. Then if we put 14, it says come back when you're 12 years. You're all allowed on the site, welcome to the site. But now we still get this text box when we already found out the age, but we still get this text box. But when we put like 1, the text box is not there. It just says come back when you're 12 years old. Why is that? Because when we said come back when you're 12 years old, we put the die. So all the lines after it stopped running. So it didn't run the HTML. So it didn't show the HTML over here. So what we're going to do is at the end where it says welcome to the site, we're just going to put a die, and then put a semicolon at the end. And now we're going to try this again. So it says, sorry about that, I just got up. So please enter your age, 44, and you're allowed the site, welcome to the site. And also, it's not that professional to make this all one line, so just put a beer, but it's not going to be professional anyway. And then, okay, so now let's try this again. You're welcome on the site, welcome to the site. So yeah, so that's it. And so even though this may be useless to you, it did show you how to use forms. So it said, okay, it gave you a value, and then it checked it by using an if statement, and you also used your first get value. So thanks for watching.